last video of the other RimX on the Wooks chassis, in which Mr. Revolver Guy now owns. Lucky guy. So my son was pretty upset that we sold that rifle, so we ended up building another one right away. Now this one is dedicated to him. We're going to be doing the Mr. Revolver Guy Dayattherange Hostage challenge and shooting some of the Lapua Midas Plus at 50 yards. Got a little bit of wind, I'd say about 3 to 4 mile per hour gust, but we'll do our best. Target down range. Let's see what this thing does. 50 yards, Midas Plus, Lapua. Element 4.0 chassis, RimX, 18.5-inch barrel. Let's go for the target, top left, make sure we're zeroed. Looks like I hit high there. Let's try one more just in case. That's cold bore. Let's do one more. Alrighty. Let's see. We'll give it a shot. We'll go for it. Okay. Ooh, missed that one. Dead center. Ah, broke edge. Oh, gotta do reload. 2 more shots. Trying not to break my cheek weld here. Damn it. Alrighty. See what we got. Alright, so according to Dayattherange.com, Mr. Revolver Guy's Hostage Challenge, we have a 90-second time limit, and basically no part of the body can be touching the rifle prior to the timer. So basically the timer, according to the video, will be counting that towards when it started, basically when I was zeroing in the rifle here, or testing out the shots. So let's count the target. We broke edge there, if you can see that. So that is a +10. Definitely a +10 there. That is a 0. Damn it. Wish I got something there. That one, if you can see the wax line, basically just broke the edge right about here. So +10. That's a center punch. Basically +10. That one only broke the black part, so +5. +10 there. That's a dead center punch. A 0. Damn it. And that one, you can see, broke the edge there. +10. So counting this thing up, we have a 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 55, 65. We have 65. So 65 isn't bad. I think we'll do better next time. Well guys, let me know what you think of that rifle. I think 65 on this score, Hostage Challenge, is not bad for the first time doing this. We'll definitely do better. So there's more challenges from Mr. Revolver. So huge shout out to him, dayattherange.com. Check it out. Huge 22 long rifle challenge. He's got a lot of people entered. So this will be my entry for the hostage challenge. So we got more challenges coming up. I'm definitely going to try to smash those. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, stick around. There's always more videos. Comment below, let me know what you guys think of that rifle, the Desert Storm RimX action. So catch you guys later. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.